Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for you guys to come along with me while I show you the little bit of Valentine's Day decor I put up this year. I wanted to show you that you don't have to make it all or nothing. You don't have to overwhelm your home to celebrate Love Day, Valentine's Day. Even if you're single, if it's Galentine's Day and you're celebrating with your girlfriends, whatever it is, you can have this love decor in your home all year if you choose, because as it says in the good book, the greatest of these is love. So here we go. Now, this is the forever wreath that we made a few years ago on our channel, and that's the heart we made last year. I hung it in the middle. So you guys might recognize this from the Dollar Tree from last year. I still love it. It's hanging on the side of my entryway door. And this was the wreath that we decided to hang on the front door this year. It's the only color like this that I have in my decor this year, but I'll go for it. I have some Valentine's mugs as well as a cute little set of heart pot holders that I just want to scatter little bits of touches of Valentine's Day all over the house. It is, like I mentioned, just the love holiday. So if you just want to put little tiny splashes, all of this decor that I have that you're going to be seeing fits inside one tote. It's not even a lot. I just took things that we made and I just splashed them all about. This is my bathroom curtain. Those little red trucks have Christmas trees in them from Christmas, and that's a funny story. I'll tell you another time. But this is a banner we made last year, and I just decided to hang it from the shower curtain hooks just to add some color to this really cute black and white check shower curtain. And I got these really cute rose shower curtain rings. The towels that I got from TJ Maxx, that's the other cute little burlap heart we made last year. And this is a cotton banner that my sister got me from Michael's, and I just kept it up all year and I added a little heart to it. The same thing with the two little touches here. This is the heart that flowers that we added to the lantern, a little heart from the Dollar Tree, the love sign that we made this year, which could stay out all year because it's about, it's 2 Corinthians. The kiss tag with the little tiny black tag hanging on the left, and then the other two tags are on the right. Those are the tags from Dollar Tree there. The banner is from the Target Dollar Spot. I cut the little 2 leveled sign from the Dollar Tree and I put the love over by the TV, and I hung the 3 little hearts there in the middle of all those banners. You might recognize the twine hearts from last year, and the love picture frames are from this year. I have my cute little fireplace with little Jim's little gift on there and the little heart of roses. And then this is a pillow cover that I got from Wish. I love it. I love Snoopy. He's my favorite. He's my favorite dog. Hello Kitty's my favorite girl. So this is the other side of the fireplace that has the 2 tags on it. And then this 3 hearts centerpiece hanging above the fireplace was something my dad made a few years ago. Well, a few years before he passed away. We kind of made it together. He used my paint and my glitter hearts or rhinestone hearts. And then I went ahead and I helped him attach them to the ribbon in the back. And then even on the TV, I just took the little heart-shaped box from the Dollar Tree and the other box from the Dollar Tree, that square that has the heart-shaped flowers on it. There's the love sign, which is the bottom half of that sign. I just put it on that little shelf. Hanging over my sliding glass doors are these red pom-poms, and that heart in the middle is the Valentine's Day, Happy Valentine's Day one with the burlap. My candy's been picked over apparently. But this is my little vignette I have on my coffee table. You might recognize some things from Target, as well as the Dollar Tree, and as well as a choke couture that I was gifted. I'll link that video in the description box down below. And then I always like to put tons of throw pillows on my 2 accent chairs. I left the baby, it's cold outside because it's still wintertime. And then of course I love that Snoopy pillowcase as well. Okay. The love sign stays on my wall all year. And then we'll zoom out from my little friends that visit me behind the couch, and you'll see the DIYs and the flag banners from this year as well. Okay. Now this little bless your heart thing I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just hung it on my curtain tie back in my kitchen. And now we're going to get to the rest of the kitchen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate my two-tier tray. This is sort of just like the everyday decor that I have on it right now. It's not like for any specific holiday. It's just for like every day. So I'm going to show you how we're going to decorate it for Valentine's Day. I have these buffalo check mugs that I got at Hobby Lobby, and they were on 50% clearance, not clearance, they were 50% sale back in autumn, and I snatched them up as soon as I could. And that towel is from Walmart, and it actually says gather on the back. But since you're not going to see it all, we're just going to leave it and we're going to use it again. So I have these cute little napkins that I've had for ages. And one has got like these swirls and hearts, and it's red, and the other one is white, and it's got a little embroidery heart on it. But I thought that the color, just the pops of color would be good. I used the lid from a mason jar to elevate the mug that says bless your heart just a little bit, because otherwise you really can't see the word heart. And now I'm just playing around with it. This is the cut heart edge frame that we used to make the felt flower the other day. And I was like, oh, that kind of looks cute, but then we're going to end up changing it, because that's part of what I wanted to mention about doing a two-tier tray. There's formulas, sort of, but it's really just what you love. It's what you have, and play around with it. Like, I will move things back and forth, left and right, and say, oh, this doesn't really work. Oh, let's try this on the left. Or, let's put this in front. Oh, no, it's hidden. So, and then just move it around. My dear friend Roxy sent me those beads, the garland, with the tassels on it, and I just thought that the reds were just not really compatible, so I switched it out. I was thinking about this originally. I was thinking about this little easel that says bless our home, but for Valentine's Day I'm going to leave that off. I'm going to put the second mug down below. Going to stuff some paper towel in it to elevate. I'm thinking about elevating this heart that says I love you. I got it from Walmart, for $1.98. I just had to get it. It was so beautiful. It's actually like galvanized, not galvanized. It's actually enamel wear with a little gold trim on it. And then I decided to put my straws in the mug instead of off to the side. They're in a mason jar. The mason jar has the ring and no lid. And what I use them for is to stir, or obviously to offer anybody a paper straw if they want. So now what I've done here is I've taken this little beaded wood thing that I got at the Dollar General for $1. It's got really cute beads on it and this round thing, but they only had R and N. So I was like, you know what? Let me take one of these wooden hearts and I can just fit it right over the R. And there you go. And now I have a cute little heart. This is one of the natural colored wood ones from the Dollar Tree. I know that sticky isn't great, but that's actually a benefit to me right now, because this is just going to hang on my two-tier tray. I don't have to worry about it falling off. Okay, and that's it. So I just attached that to the handle. I'm going to walk it over in a little while, because right now it's hanging a little low. I wasn't sure how I wanted it to be. So this is a tag from the Dollar General, and it says, true love never fades, or true love lasts forever, or I don't know, something. You'll see it when we do the close-up. I want to tell you, I took the second red napkin and I put it over the right-hand side of the top tray, as you can see. So now I'm just playing around with different things. This heart is it's a candle. It's from the Dollar Tree this year. And then we have different, I was kind of like, what do I want to do on the bottom? The bottom tray ended up having this really cute piece of art that I got from Hobby Lobby for this purpose exactly, or for my coffee bar in general. But it says love brews here, and I love it. Get it? And the other thing you missed is on the other side, I put the buffalo check heart that I got at Hobby Lobby as well. It was 50% off at the time, so I think it was only $1.50, because I think it was originally $2.99. But even that sign was $4.99 originally, so it only cost $2.50. And I when I go, I see it and I say, I can't make that for $2.50, because it is really thick and it's got this really pretty corrugated galvanized edge to it. It's really nice. So now I'm taking the string that I looped around the handle, and I'm working it over the top onto the actual wood handle, because this way it'll hang a little higher. And then I was like, oh, it's still a little low, so all I did was twist it around the top of the handle. It was just that simple. I kind of did want it to hang right over the coffee mug's handle, and because it was Bless Your Heart, I kind of wanted it to be there. But now I'm just like trying this I love you thing. It's not that it doesn't go with it, because it does go with it, but it's just like I didn't have a good spot for it. It's kind of like little, it's like medium size. I don't really have a, it's too big to go in front of something because it'll hide it, and it's too small to stand on its own. Like, so I just really didn't know what I ended up tying it to Jimmy's Valentine's Day present. So that's what we ended up doing with it. Okay. And now I realize that I wasn't paying attention to the direction of the handle. And not that that's important to everybody. Like, you can just decorate your tray any way you want and put the handle any way you want. But yeah, I have this thing where the handle has to be like facing me straight. So yeah, I did that. So now I'm just playing around. What I'm ending up doing is moving everything. Just about. Actually, what I decided to do was to take out the Jeri-Ann cup that says tea. I just left the one that says Bless Your Heart. I have this little boxwood bowl that I got at the 99-cent only store that I had stuffed in this bird cage that I got from the dollar spot at Michael's. I just decided to borrow its greenery. I moved the buffalo checked heart up to the top shelf, and I decided to put the tin of roses that we made on our channel on the bottom shelf. I knew it was the perfect size if I could just angle it in there. So what I decided to do is to put it on the right-hand side and to move the Love Brews Here sign to the left-hand side. It's actually kind of cute that way anyway, because the coffee cup on there, you could see it better. And then this is those candles. The one red candle says True Love, and the other True Love Never Fades, Never Dies. And then the other one says Be Mine. So I decided to just stick that boxwood ball right into that Jeri-Ann mug, and just played around with the bottom composition. I still have the Buffalo Check coffee mug around the back of the bottom shelf, as well as my little tiny like apothecary jar that has tea in it. And I just tucked them around the back because where it sits on my counter, you can see on all sides. So you want to have surprises around the back as well. So that's it. You see how cute that is? Oh my gosh, I just love it. I absolutely love the way it came out. I stuck little pieces of cotton everywhere. And then this is how it looks in place. And yeah, that's it. I love it. So that was it. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed bringing you along. There are some, as you saw, some pieces that I made this year, some things that I bought this year, and then some things that are sentimental and I've had for quite some time. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. And you know about sharing and subscribing and bells and all the things. So as always, you guys take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye.